Just as we have anticipated on our USDJPY, as well, all you are gonna follow is that we were expecting a very rally move to actually take out this our ice here, right? This was actually our previous ice, which was about 13927 to 1. So we are actually aiming for our price to actually go straight to 139.400, but I think we are about I think 30 pips more to actually grab. So that is it for our USDJPY. So our USDJPY has actually rallied close to that our price prediction we have actually been predicting. But I also want you to notice something on the 31st of this August. I still believe that our JPY USDJPY will actually retrace downward. So let's see it on our 4-hour time frame now. Let's see it. By the way, we all can see that our price was once ranging within this area. This was once our resistance level, and this was once our support level, but we saw our price broke above this our once resistance level. What we are expecting next is actually a pullback again to test this our area where our price broke above from. So once we see our USDJPY test the area, then we can now start rallying up again. So I mean, USDJPY on the daily time frame, we should actually be waiting for a pullback, because a pullback would be happening anytime soon. So you should be expecting a red, but if in case not, we might see our price actually rally to this 139, about 139. We are currently trading at 138. So in case if our price still rallies up, then we might see a drop. So anytime soon on our USDJPY, we'll be getting a drop to test this our once resistance level on our USDJPY. For our time frame, you can see it here. So I think price is actually still ranging here. See it here. Price came to this area on our 4-hour time frame. It dropped. It came to this area again. We are very much likely to see another drop again. Then another rally movement upward again. So exactly what I believe would be happening on our USDJPY on our 4-hour time frame, except the price breaks above this resistance level, then we can consider aiming to go long. And 1-hour time frame basically see the same thing as our daily 4-hour time frame. See our eyes here, price drop to this level low, rally up to our eyes, and it is going to drop again to our low. So basically USDJPY would be kind of giving us like a bearish move to test this our area that was once our resistance area, then it can rally up on our USDJPY.